Hello guys, I hope you are all well. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the 30-second strategy, how you can make a profit by trading on 30-second candles. To analyze 30-second trades, you have to select the time frame of 30 seconds. After that, you have to select the time of your trade, which is 30 seconds. After that, you have to analyze the market. See, the period of 30 seconds is a very short period, and mostly when you are trading on a 1-minute candle, your trade becomes a loss in the last 30 seconds or the last 10 seconds. In this video, I will also tell you how to trade for 30 seconds, and at the same time, I will tell you how you can analyze the market and make a profit in 30 seconds, and you will not lose in the last seconds. I will give you an example that when we are trading, the candle that we have in 1 minute when we trade changes its direction from the last 4 seconds to 10 seconds. So we have to catch the movement of the first 30 seconds and make a profit in it. This strategy is for expert traders who understand the movement of 1-minute candles. So you have to practice on it. After that, if you want to make a profit in a live account, I am also taking this live trade with you, and I am guiding you along with it how to use it. Okay, you have to look at the candlestick pattern, and you can change the candle at 1 minute time and analyze the candles to see what the next candle's move is going to be. So, whatever the market is here, I will set a resistance level and see where the market can be rejected. So, suppose the market breaks a level in 30 seconds and goes up and closes below this level in the last 30 seconds. So, we have to take a trade in the first 30 seconds and make a profit. I have analyzed the market and placed a 30-second trade, and I will show you in 1 minute that the market has closed a large candle near a resistance level. Now, this candle can go up for 30 seconds and the next candle can break it. Or it can go down. So, we wait for the result of this candle. And you can see that we have made our trade in the last seconds, and the next candle is going in the up direction. So we have analyzed well and have taken a good trade. I will take you to the trade in another pair. We find trades in this market and see what opportunities we get in 30 seconds, and here I will find the trade. You can see that it is strong buyers. Here we always have to go with the trend. We have to follow the trend and take the trade as soon as we follow it. And here I have placed 2 trades in the up direction. The buyers are in control, and in the first 30 seconds the candle can go up, and in the next 30 there are more chances of it going down. So the first 30 seconds is the first 30 seconds where market can go up. The 30-minute strategy is very outstanding. If you practice it correctly and you can make good profit from it, you can see that our trade is also going to be sure shot, and this is our trade 1 in the best way, and the next candle has opened a little down. After that, we find the next trade and wait for the next pair. I have opened a new pair and the next trade in this pair. I will take, and here you saw that I am analyzing the market a little. In 1 minute time, the candles are reversing a little. So I will open the 30 seconds candle again and place a trade here. See, the more you practice, the stronger your strategy will be. So you will make good profit from the market. Here I will wait a little and take a good entry. And in the 30-second strategy, you also have to wait for a good opportunity. Don't be in a hurry. Look at the movement of the 1-minute candle and the movement of the 30 seconds candle. Here I have placed a trade in down direction, and let's see what our trade does. The last red candle has taken a rejection from above. So there are possibilities that we will win because the candle has already taken a rejection. The next move will be towards the lower direction, and our trade has been won in the best way. You have seen what to put. Closing it is given in the down direction, and we have made a very good profit with the 30-second strategy. You can see how it works. You have to practice on it. Apart from that, if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments. You can join our Telegram community and follow the free single and can make good profit daily. If you are new, then subscribe the channel, like the video, and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Happy trading!